Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hey there, Internet Explorers. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your launchpad for mastering the tools, trends, and tactics that drive digital success. Today's spotlight: hashtag strategies that actually work across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, X, and more. Let's start with Instagram, where hashtags are like seasoning. Use them wisely, don't overdo it. You get up to 30, but 3 to 5 quality tags strike the perfect balance. Mix broad ones like hashtag motivation with niche gems like hashtag vintage inspiration, and sprinkle them in captions or comments to keep things clean. Over on X, formerly Twitter, less is more. Stick to 1 or 2 trending hashtags to stay relevant without looking spammy. Timing's everything here, especially with live events or throwbacks like hashtag on this day. Facebook, think subtle. 1 or 2 targeted hashtags work best to reinforce your theme. This platform's more about depth than discovery, so tag thoughtfully. Now TikTok, the Wild West of virality. Use 3 to 6 tags, mixing trending ones like hashtag FYP with niche specific like hashtag throwback challenge. Hashtags here don't just label, they guide the algorithm straight to your audience. And don't sleep on LinkedIn. This one's all about professional impact. 3 to 5 hashtags like hashtag content strategy and hashtag digital storytelling help you join relevant conversations and showcase your authority. Ready to level up your content game? Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell for updates, and drop a comment with your favorite hashtag strategy. Whether you're boosting a vintage treasure or launching your next motivational series, we've got you covered. Stay creative, stay strategic, and as always, market like a legend.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.